What keeps bringing you back? What's your favorite thing about this show?
I mean, the people are just phenomenal.
The other builders here are incredible people.
This is probably the best show I've had.
I mean, everybody is so cool.
It's an honor just to be here and be invited.
I mean, it's just an amazing experience to be here with all of these people, truly world-class builders.
Welcome to the 2025 OCC Invitational Bike Show.
Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on a what? Yeah. You know I be on a what?
I want to tell you a little bit about how this show works. It's different from other shows around the country. We invite builders from everywhere, from all over the country and even internationally. We've had Japan and Bulgaria here. There's some great builders that come. They bring some of their newest builds, and they also bring some builds that maybe haven't been here before that have been around for a little while. There's 8 divisions that they can enter their bikes into. There's 4 different ways to win in each division. There's first and second place People's Choice, which are voted on by the people who attend the event. There's the Paul Sr. pick. He picks his best bike, his favorite of all of those 8 divisions. And then the granddaddy of them all is the Builder's Choice by division. All of the builders who participate get to vote on a bike from each division that their team likes the best, but it cannot be their own bike. And each of those builders get $1,000 in cash. Then they also vote on the granddaddy of them all, which is the best in show bike. They pick the single best bike of the entire show, and we conclude with that award being presented. Senior's on stage. He gives some great accolades. He's there for the awards and photographs. He mingles with everybody who's here. He's at the public ride-in bike show that we also have, and he's just excited about seeing all these people come out with their great creations.
I love the sound of the 2-strokes, you know? That's a pretty crazy flame too, you know? Very different. Cool handlebars, very cool. I like these front ends. I like these triple trees too.
You better put it here.
I like this bike. Wow. Wow. Then what are we gonna come back that way? That's a nice bike right there.
Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on a what? Yeah. Man, we coming for them things.
There you go, brother. This is a nice fucking bike. That's cool too.
All right, let's get this show started. What do you think? It's been a great day so far. You know, this is a pleasant surprise right now. We have an unexpected announcement to make, and I'm going to let Bert make the announcement.
I just want to thank Tony Reyes donating $10,000 to the charity out there, and we're going to change some veteran's life with that money. Thank you, Tony. We appreciate you and all you do.
We cannot do this event without the Fran Haasch Law Group, and I cannot personally thank her enough. She is the person that takes care of the biker community and beyond, and it's quite amazing, frankly. So give it up for Fran Haasch, please.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much to all of you for coming out on this awesome weekend. I am so proud of everything that you're doing, Keith and Bert and Paul, to put on this incredible event. Love you all. Thanks for coming.
All right, we're going to give it up for Mr. Paul Sr. He's got something to say about this event.
Yeah, this is 3 years that this event's been going on, and it's great to see the same people keep coming back. So, you know, that says something. And, you know, it's almost like when I come here with all the builders, and I appreciate the new builders that come around too, but it almost seems like a family thing. So really appreciate you guys coming, and next year it's going to be even better.
First place of the bagger division goes to bike number 37, Nick Mo Photos Garage. Paul Sr. picked the following bike for his bagger, number 56, Weird Designs. People's Choice Award for the most votes goes to number 52, Torque Customs. Paul Sr. chooses the cruiser bike this year to win his award, number 23, J&R Cycle. The builders voted goes to number 11, Dangerous Designs. All right, we're moving to the sport bike division. This is Paul Sr.'s choice of the bikes in the sport bike division. Number 15, Dom's Customs. We're in the Cafe Racer division now, and the winner of that division for the Cafe Racers is bike number 39, Olaf. Senior picked in the Cafe Racers division. His choice this year goes to number 49, one of our favorites, Tim Skates Customs. Give a big round of applause for the builders today that got represented up here.
Been probably 2.5 years putting this thing together. It has smurfed into many different facets, and I can tell you I've never seen the whole bike together at any one time until I have a good idea what it looks like, but I don't know what it looks like.
This bike has a 360 tire on it and has a 21 5.5 on the front. So it was that was a challenge for me. Some of the difficulties were some of the people that we had to paint this bike 3 times. That this bike is exceptionally custom.
This is the first time Paul's ever had a Harley 131 done in a bike, and that goes a long way in my book. That's their way of supporting not only me and the dealer as a group, but more importantly Paul, because I think the world of Paul. Thank you all for coming. We appreciate you a lot.
The people voted. First place, People's Choice in the Vintage Retro Old School Division, number 62, Wolf Customs. The builders picked for the Vintage Retro Old School Division, number 18, Fatheads. To call up to the stage, bike number 54, Tribute Choppers, voted on by the people. Paul Sr.'s pick this year, it doesn't surprise me. Number 64, White Trash, White Rice. Granddaddy of them all for $1,000 in the bobber division. The builders voted. They picked number 34, Low Road. Number 28, Johnny Mac Chopper House. So 2 years ago, we had an accident, and guess what? The builders still came to the event in a wheelchair, rode around, walked around, broken ribs, all right? This year we had another builder that made it here. I don't want to tell the story too much, but he got hit by a drunk driver, lost 3 bikes, and the drunk driver ended up in his trailer with the bikes, if you can imagine that. So we got a special award for the dedication and the loyalty. We got a VIP award presented by Paul. If we could get these 2 guys up here, Stink Eye Customs and Apocalyptic Bike Works, we got a special presentation for you guys because it takes a lot of loyalty to still make that trip for as far as you guys came, and we appreciate you very much. The best bike of the show goes to bike number 27, James Cycle.
I just wanted to say thank you to everybody, especially my beautiful wife, Brielle James. This is our actual, oh, there she is. She moved, this is our 2nd anniversary, so we're celebrating it right here at the OCC Invitational.
Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on the run. Yeah, man, we coming for them things.
How have the other builders been?
Yeah, like I said, I just really like talking to each and every builder.
Amazing. Just like personality-wise, it's super cool to meet them and get to talk to them. They've given me tons of tips on this.
Everybody's friendly. It's like everybody's walking around on the same wavelength. I don't think it could be anything better.
It's a family motorcycle builder event.
It's really just the builders, and of course you got Paul Sr. That's always a plus to be at the show and be part of that also.
But everybody's been super cool, a lot of killer bikes here. I'm just humbled to be in the same room, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, it's nice to be around guys of this caliber.
An award is great, but just to be here and be invited is enough for me.
And just seeing what their creations are too is a big deal.
They are the kindest, most caring people. Everyone is like a family. Everyone is cheering each other on.
And everybody who came out and joined us for the show, we really very much appreciate you. We hope you come back every week to OCC Road House. Thank you so much and have a wonderful Sunday afternoon.